Did you know your holiday could be your best fat-burning tool? Most people think travel means gaining weight, but it can actually help you get leaner and fitter. When you break your normal routine, your body adapts fast. At home, you might sit all day, but on holiday, you're walking, climbing, and exploring for hours. This constant, low-intensity movement keeps your heart rate up and taps into your fat stores for energy. An hour on the treadmill feels like a chore, but 4 hours wandering through a new city, that's effortless fat burning. You're soaking in the sights, not even realizing how much you're moving. Travel fitness is about enjoying movement, not strict diets or punishing workouts. Embrace the adventure. Your body will thank you. Next time you book a trip, get excited for the chance to get active and feel incredible. You'll come back with memories and a healthier, leaner body. Let's dive into how it all works. So, how does exploring a new city melt fat? It's all about variety and keeping your body guessing. You're climbing stairs, walking hills, carrying bags. Every movement adds up. This variety, called muscle confusion, keeps your metabolism high and burns more fat. On holiday, your NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, skyrockets. That's all the calories you burn just by moving around. At home, you sit. On a trip, you're on your feet all day. Every staircase is a leg workout. Every long walk is cardio. You're engaging different muscles and keeping your heart rate up, all while having fun. Your whole day becomes a workout. No guilt for skipping the gym. This is fitness that doesn't feel like fitness. Forget the gym. Your adventure is your workout. A city walking tour can burn hundreds of calories, and cycling or hiking lets you see more while getting fitter. Take the stairs, walk instead of taking taxis, and carry your own luggage for a built-in resistance workout. Use your environment. Run on the beach, do bodyweight exercises in a park, or swim in the sea. Just 15 minutes of simple moves. Press-ups, squats, lunges, keeps your muscles strong. Plan one active thing each day. A hike, a kayak trip, or a long walk to a great restaurant. Make movement part of the fun, not a chore. You'll create memories and get fitter at the same time. Sustainable fitness is about finding joy in moving, wherever you are. Your holiday is the perfect time to start. Let's talk food. Enjoy new flavors, but be smart. Choose local, fresh foods like grilled fish, salads, and fruit. Stay hydrated. Carry a water bottle and sip throughout the day, especially in hot climates. Water helps your body burn fat and keeps you feeling full. Don't obsess over calories. Focus on moving more and eating fresh. If you indulge one night, just get back to exploring the next day. Balance is key. A healthy lifestyle is about consistency, not perfection. See every street as a running track, every staircase as a challenge. You'll return home refreshed, energized, and maybe even leaner. Book that trip. Your fittest, most fun holiday awaits.